Let's make infused hot honey sauce. Sweet, spicy, and infused with 15 milligrams of THC per serving. This recipe will need these ingredients. 1/4 cup of your favorite hot sauce. 1 tablespoon of butter. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. 1/4 cup of regular honey. 4 THC infused honey sticks. Start by melting 1 tablespoon of butter in a small saucepan over low heat. Then add 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and 1/4 cup of hot sauce for that perfect balance of heat and flavor. Now squeeze in 4 THC infused honey sticks, then add 1/4 cup of regular honey to balance the spice. This will make 4 servings, with each tablespoon containing 15 milligrams of THC. Stir everything together until the honey fully dissolves and the sauce is smooth. Let it simmer for about a minute to blend all the flavors. Now it's ready to drizzle over pizza, fried chicken tenders, or roasted veggies. Sweet, spicy, and infused to perfection. Try this recipe at home and tag us. Follow Make Stix for more infused honey stick recipes.